Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to our computer class with me Ikra. In this video, we will study chapter 2 of class 4th and the chapter name is Exploring Windows. Before starting the chapter, firstly I want to discuss about operating system. What is an operating system? To understand what an operating system means, firstly, read the two words separately, operating and system. Here, operating means to operate and system refers to a computer. Thus, an operating system is one that helps to operate a computer, right? An operating system ensures efficient working of computer hardware and software that help a computer to operate smoothly. Now, come back to our topic. The first topic is Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers including home and business desktops, laptops, notebooks, tablets, PCs and media center PCs. Here it means Windows 7 is an OS. OS means what is the full form of OS? Operating system. Bring out by Microsoft and it is mainly using desktops, computers and laptops. It was released to manufacturing on 22/2009. It was released to manufacturing on which date? On 22 July and in which year? In 2009 and became generally available for retail worldwide on October 22, 2009 and it became commonly available for retail worldwide on which date? 22 October in 2009. MS Windows operating system has many flavors called versions. Here flavor means versions such as MS Windows 95, MS Windows 98, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, MS Windows 7 and the latest MS Windows is 8. Which one is the latest? MS Windows 8. So, next one is features of Windows 7. The desktop of Windows 7 has the following features. It means the desktop of Windows 7 has the following features. Icons, desktop, start button, taskbar, show desktop. These are the following features of Windows 7. First feature is desktop. The desktop is the starting place for all the other computer functions. Located on the desktop are several icons. These are small things with text underneath that represent places you can go or computer programs that you may run. Home computers may have a different pictures as you can customize your own desktop. Here it means when we switch on the computer, the first screen appears after booting is called desktop. On the desktop, icons, start button, taskbar, these things are located on the desktop. In home computer, you can customize your pictures according to your choice. Understand? Next feature is taskbar. The taskbar is the small bar that runs across the bottom of the desktop. The small rectangular box displays the program that is running. It also contains quick launch icons, start button, notification area, date and time. So, taskbar, the thin horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. This bar shows the start button, notification area, date and time, icons, quick launch, okay, and some currently open programs. We can also pin our favorite programs on taskbar for easy access. Next feature is Show Desktop button. Windows 7 provides a new feature called Show Desktop button. Here Windows 7 gives a new feature, and that feature name is Show Desktop button. It helps to minimize your entire screen to clearly view desktop. When you place the mouse pointer on the Show Desktop button, all the windows become transparent. It means it helps to minimize your entire means whole screen to clearly view desktop. Or when you put your cursor on the Show Desktop button, then all the windows change to the transparent. Next feature is Date and Time. A clock showing date and time located on the bottom right corner of the desktop. Date and time is located on the bottom right corner of the desktop. It shows clock, date and time. Next feature is Start button. A round shaped bottom on the bottom left corner of the desktop is known as Start button. The Start button is the main gateway to your computer's programs, folders and settings. It means this button is present on the left corner of the desktop, known as Start button. Means view and open all the software program folder of your computer with the help of this button. Now rest of the topics we will discuss in next video. Class is over. Until unless revise these topics. Thank you.